Okay, I have marked my boards. I'll just show you something here. We've marked them, and I don't know if you can see it. This is going to be 3/4 of an inch. This is going to be 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches, and then on the inside it's 3/4 of an inch, 2.5, 2.5, and 3/4 of an inch. All right, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm confused. And that's okay. I had to set my legs up to make sure I measured the correct side so that when I finish cutting, I don't have them all messed up and have to start over. One board is going to go right here, 2.5 inches. It's going to slide in once I groove it down. Then the other board on the other side is going to go into here and grooved in. And then these on the inside, I don't know if you can see them, but these on the inside, I'm going to come in so it interlocks like this. And then there's going to be one here in the middle that interlocks. It's going to overlap a little bit here. It's going to be the wider board. See how that's going to just slide right in like that? That's going to be on this side here. And it's 3/4 of an inch because that's roughly the thickness of my board here, of 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to try to cut it a little shy. I'd rather thin out the edge here to get it to slide in so there's no gap, a nice tight fit, as well as over here, so I don't have to use a whole lot of filler or glue or all that. Just slide it right in, tight fit, and that's going to secure these legs. Secure them this side, secure them on this side, and then when I put my shelving in the middle, it secures them there. So that makes it really sturdy here at the bottom of the legs. But one of the key things I wanted to remind you is to make sure that when you're measuring this, stand them up the way you think it's going to be and measure. Just don't assume that this side and this side is going to be the same as these two, because it's not. See how that's the 3/4 inch on this side, and this is 2.5 inches. Well, over here, 2.5, 2.5. The 3/4 of an inch is in here in the middle. So think about it. Do it slowly. When you're making your markings, stand them up, look at it. So if you made any mistakes, you can fix it before you actually start cutting it. Now I'm going to hook up my router table over here and get my blade in there. I'm going to get a 3/4 inch blade so I can do one cut here all the way around, and then I can start cutting all of this off. And I'll show you how I'll put a rig up here so that it doesn't get, I don't have to fight with it, and my cut will be consistent according to what's needed.